Hi everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history on Temu using your PC in under 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. First, head to Temu's website on your browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you logged in, click on your account icon on the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Browsing History. This will take you to all your previous searches. Now simply click on the Clear History button. A prompt will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Click yes and boom, your search history is now clear. Sometimes the prompt won't appear and the history will be deleted in one go. You can also individually delete your browsing history item. And that's it, you've successfully cleared your browsing history on Temu. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.